Hey, this is Justice with Tiny Home Toy Hauler. So today we are installing the Dometic center console fridge for F-Series trucks. But first we got to clean the truck because we just spent the week out in Moab at Easter Jeep Safari, so it is covered in red dirt, and if we were to shoot a video like that, my wife would probably kill me. So we are going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a 3.5-inch circular hole saw. But before we can start the install of the fridge, we have to remove the Ford factory safe. And to do that, we're going to need a 1/2-inch socket. So for the side screws, we're going to need a 7/16 socket. The front are the 1/2-inch socket. So this back piece we actually had to pop off. Kind of stubborn to pop off, but comes off. Just the 4 pops right there. So to get our safe top out, we actually had to take this off so we had enough clearance. And I'll have to double check the instructions, but I'm guessing to put the fridge in, we're gonna need that off anyway. So in case you can't find it, the manual actually is in the refrigerator. So unbox everything, take it apart, you'll find the manual. And also in the box is this template. So this is actually the template for you to drill. It fits the 3.5-inch circular saw perfectly. So when you do go to drill, you can use this as a template. And then this is the front fan location. So we're gonna put the template in there, mark it, and then drill it out. So another nice thing about this fridge is we don't actually have to run power to the center console because right here is a 12-volt cigarette lighter. So the fridge actually just plugs directly into that and then we'll power it.
Are you even where it's supposed to? Crazy.
So after you drill the hole, definitely recommend vacuuming it out either with a Dyson or a shop vac. Next step is the fan install. There are arrows that point up. So keep those arrows up. So making sure the arrows on it stay up. We're going to snap it into place. So once the fan is snapped into place, what they do is they recommend you take the cord, tape it up top. What we're going to do is actually put it under our S&B silicone tray there to hold it in place. So next we have the foam spacers. Now this part right here is the rear. So first we're going to do the right hand, the passenger side. What we'll do is we'll peel off the tape, set it on the ledge, and then press it against the ledge so the tape sticks, and then we'll repeat it for the driver's side. And now we're going to install the driver's side. Start with taking the tape off. So this is the actual unit. So what we are going to do is we're going to plug in this into the 12-volt lighter and then drop the fridge in. So we had to remove this piece to get the safe out. We just test fit the fridge, and we are going to need this in there, so we're going to put it back in right now. So we just got the cigarette lighter plugged in the console. In the front here, you'll see this extra plug. That's for the fan. I recommend you locate that, kind of keep it up out of the way. Otherwise, once you get it in, it's going to be kind of hard to find. If you read the instructions, right here is where it latches on the front. And in the back here, where it latches onto the rear. That should kind of keep it in a secure place. So now we're going to lower it in. So now we kept that fan cord up, and then we also kept the fridge side of it. Now we're going to connect them. And we're going to kind of just push it down out of the way here. So now the fan's connected, it's plugged in, the fridge is connected to the truck, and then now we are going to secure the fridge in place. So now we are going to secure the twist locks. Now it's secured in place, not moving anywhere. Next step is to put on the final piece. Next step is to install the final faceplate here. So if you've done everything right, it should just snap into place. And now we have a fridge. So let's turn the truck on and make sure it runs. So we just turned it on, got the light came on, light here inside, and then this can hold a 12 pack. So next step is making a 12 pack fit. All right, so now I got some Zevias here, so we are going to see if they fit. So I have not counted how many sodas we have left, so hopefully we have 12. Look at that, it fits 10, no problem. Let's see if I can find 2 more sodas. So I found an 11th can here. So right now we have 11 cans in there. Could easily fit 12. Don't have 12 right now though. So this is awesome. Now we can fit 12 cans in here. Shut it. We also have 2 extra USB plugs here. So this is perfect. So on our CFX35, what we were doing is we were actually running it off a Goal Zero so it'd stay cold all the time. With this being plugged into that cigarette lighter in the center console, it's only going to be cold while the truck is running, so we may look into trying to fix that in the future, but for now it'll be great to keep things ready and available for day trips. All right, so as some of you know, we've been running the CFX35 on the rear seat, and it's been great. However, driving down the road, if we want to get a drink or juice box for the kid or something like that, then my wife has to get out of her seat, turn around, open the fridge, get it, and it's kind of dangerous. So now with this right here, what we can do is we'll probably run 6 cans in there, juice boxes, and then any other cold snacks we need, and then it's way safer. All we do is pop open the center console, grab it, no one has to unbuckle seat belts, and look forward to using it. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications for future videos.
Woo!